All right, we're going to do a review that's going to tie into what we're doing. So the first part is, well, we're going to solve this inequality. Remember, an inequality has less than, greater than, equal to, signs like that. So what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to treat this inequality symbol just like an equal sign. We're going to treat it like an equal sign. And we are going to keep it as this symbol. So we're going to keep it the same symbol. Now, to get n by itself, we're going to do the opposite of adding 2, which is subtracting 2. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. Now, when we subtract 2 from both sides, we get n on one side is greater than, remember big mouth eats the big number, 6 minus 2 is going to be 4. So our equation is going to, or our new inequality, I should say, is going to be n is greater than 4. So we're going to identify a solution that can represent n. So what number could be over here? Any number that you want to put in there that's bigger than 4, you can put there. I know 5 is bigger than 4. You can put any number bigger than 4. Now, we're going to graph it. So I know your favorite part. So we are, I don't know why it says 6. We're going to make that a 4. We are going to put our 4, -4, 4. All right, so we're going to put our, first of all, open or closed circle. Remember, if it is an open, or if it's an open inequality, if it's that open inequality, you can keep it an open circle. You don't have anything to add to it. If there was the equal sign under it, then you would have to shade in this and shade in the bottom because you'd have to do more work to tie it all together. So since there's nothing underneath it, we are going to leave it as an open circle. So we're going to put an open circle on the number 4. Open circle on the number 4. Now, which way are we going to shade? Well, it can be any number bigger than or greater than, which is on this side, than 4. So we're going to shade everything to the right. Wow, how nifty was that? And that's going to be it for the review. Great job.